Hi, greetings everyone. This is Neil again from Ellen James, and as you know, that I do lots of kitchens and bathrooms and home improvement makeovers, etc, etc. But this here is my latest project in Reading. Lovely kitchen. So originally it was very different to this. I'll put some photos up later on, but look at that, it's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. It's like a dove grey colour. Oak block worktops. This here was an extra. They're just a tiddly, is only about this wide. Little worktop on it, and there was a bit of spare worktop, so I said to the client, why don't you match it all in? She was delighted. Extra work, didn't cost her a bean because I'm like that. Microwave, oven, induction hob, extractor. Up there it's got a vent, we stuck a hole in the wall, out it goes. And up at the top there, you can see it's all boxed in at the top. So it's not going to be a dust trap, it's not going to be a fat trap or whatever goes up there, you know. I don't know how many of you get on top of your cupboards, but sometimes they're pretty gross. And here, look, boxed in this boiler. Can't get much neater than that really, can you? Bucket loads of pipe work behind it. In fact, there's oodles of pipe work behind it. But anyway, it's all hidden and that's that. And inside these two cupboards here, believe it or not, it's not just full of baked beans and tomatoes. That's where the hot water cylinder is. So I've cut around the cupboard, still generated some shelves. And then likewise in this one, that cupboard's been cut back. And you've got the pump and all sorts of valve and whatnot's all hidden behind there. And all the shelves and everything all come out. And it's all accessible, so I can take the back out. So if a plumber needs to get in there to do any work, it's really easy, unlike a lot of kitchen fitters will just make everything difficult. And again, underneath the sink, look how lovely and neat and tidy that is. I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but I've seen some rubbish in my time. And you know, look, even putting a fascia on the front there, Joe, it almost hides the bottom of the bowl. Most people can't be bothered with stuff like that, but it just adds a little bit of a finishing touch. And then the dishwasher. As you see, it's all nicely squeezed in there. Did the tiling this morning, so that's all nicely all going off. Lovely chrome beading, all lovely cut. Yeah, I'm absolutely delighted with this kitchen. The only thing that's missing is a pan drawer, but that will come in due time, and then I'll just pop back and stick it on. So this is Neil from Ellen James, specialising in kitchens and bathrooms and kitchen makeovers and all other home improvement needs that you want. So thanks very much for watching, and no doubt I'll have one or two comments, and I'll update you with some pictures on another day. Ciao.